Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Today, I try making this super cute camera shape pouch. It can hold podcasts and cash. This pattern is perfect for beginners. I hope you like it. Now, let's get started. Here are the materials needed for today's tutorial. To make the body of the camera, first, make 23 chains. Leave a tail, wrap a yarn around your fingers, take the yarn off your finger. Insert the hook from the back of the loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. Now, we have a chain. Continue by making 22 more chains. After completing 23 chains, for round 1, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and make a single crochet. To make a single crochet, yarn over, pull the yarn through, yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. Mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. Repeat this until you have a total of 21 single crochets. After completing 21 single crochets, the next stitch will consist of 3 single crochets in the same stitch. Now, continue with 20 single crochets. Remember to weave in the yarn tail like this. Next, make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. This is an increase. At the end of the round, you should have a total of 46 stitches. Remove the stitch marker. Insert your hook into the first stitch. Yarn over, pull the yarn, and pull through the loop to complete the slip stitch. Now, let's begin round 2. Start with 2 chains. In this round 2, we will make 46 half double crochets and work only in the back loop. To make a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop of the first stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull it through on 3 loops. We will continue to make a half double crochet in each of the remaining 45 stitches. You can place a stitch marker in the first stitch to make it easier to count the number of stitches. When finishing the round, we will proceed to change to a new yarn color. Insert your hook into the first stitch of the round. Hold the tail of the new yarn at the back. Pull it through the first stitch and through the loop on the hook. We start round 3 with 2 chains, then continue making 1 double crochet in each of the 46 stitches. To make a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch. Remember to hide the yarn tail as before. Yarn over and pull the loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. We leave a short tail of the old yarn and cut it off. We continue to make 1 double crochet in each stitch until the end of the round. From now on, we will make 1 double crochet in each of the 46 stitches for 5 more rounds, similar to previous round. When completing round 8, we repeat the yarn change step to switch back to the old yarn color. We will work 2 more rounds with this yarn, making 1 double crochet in each of the 46 stitches for each round. We start round 11 with 1 chain. Then we skip the first stitch and make a slip stitch in the next stitch. We will make a total of 13 slip stitches. Then, at the 13th slip stitch, we make 12 chains. Be careful not to let it twist and secure it with a slip stitch in the next stitch. Next, we make 32 more slip stitches until the end of the round. We leave a short tail of yarn about 3 fingers wide like this and cut it off. Use the hook to pull this yarn tail to the back. Then use the hook or a needle to hide it. Let's tie the remaining yarn tail as well. Now let's move on to the camera lens. Start with the magic ring, leave a tail, wrap the yarn around your finger, insert your hook and create a loop. Yarn over and pull the second loop to the front for 1 chain. And yarn over again, pull the yarn through the loop for the second chain. Now we have 2 chains. Next, we will make 12 double crochets into the magic ring. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Continue making 11 more double crochets. Once you have completed 12 double crochets, pull the tail to close the ring. To finish round 1, make a slip stitch in the first stitch. Insert your hook. We also hide the tail of the magic ring at this step. Yarn over, pull the yarn and pull through the loop to complete the slip stitch. For round 2, start with 2 chains. Next, we make 2 double crochets into the same stitch for each of the 12 stitches in round 1. When completing round 2, at the last slip stitch, we will proceed to chain the yarn to make the border of the lens. Follow the same steps as before. Continue with 1 chain. We skip the first stitch and make a slip stitch in the next stitch. Let's also hide the new yarn tail. We repeat this pattern a total of 24 times. leave a short tail of yarn. Use the needle to pull it to the back and hide it. We used a short piece of yarn to embroider additional details of the lens. We also sew a button on the back. Finally, we use glue to attach the lens to the camera body. And now, we have completed this super adorable camera shape pouch. What do you think of it? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more exciting projects coming soon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.